not so bad.
Hello, baby. What do you think of the bath? You seem to be pretty happy with it.
The water's good. Yeah.
She's like, this is warmer than I've been for days.
Yeah, right. It's gonna be cold when you get out, but that's good for now, right? Here, let's do this. And I'll scrub you with the washcloth. Oh, you don't like that, huh? Yeah. It's got your little feet. There you go.